The Jaguar F-PACE, 2017 World Car of the Year and World Car Design of the Year, gets the SVR treatment to make it the fastest and most powerful F-PACE yet, with an enhanced chassis and aerodynamics for maximum driver reward in all conditions. Engineered by Special Vehicle Operations, SVO, with a 44% uplift in power, the Jaguar F-PACE SVR's 5.0-liter V8 supercharged petrol engine produces 550 PS and 680 Nm, enabling it to reach 0 to 60 miles per hour in 4.1 seconds, 0 to 100 km per hour in 4.3 seconds, with a top speed of 176 miles per hour, 283 km per hour. The F-PACE SVR delivers the handling and agility to match its performance. Everything from the steering to the bespoke suspension setup has been tuned specifically for our performance SUV, and the result is a vehicle that lives up to the promise of both the F-PACE and SVR names. Mike Cross, Chief Engineer, Vehicle Integrity, Jaguar Land Rover. Aerodynamic enhancements include larger air intakes at the front and side fender vents that lower pressure in the wheel arches, reduce lift and provide additional cooling while also optimizing high-speed stability. In addition, unique wheel arch extensions and lower body moldings provide a low-slung muscularity that sets the SVR apart. An exclusive SVR bonnet features vents to help extract hot air from the engine bay and provide visual evidence of the SVR's dynamic intent. At the rear, a unique spoiler is joined by a new bumper housing the quad tailpipes of the active exhaust system. The bumper incorporates side strakes that aid aerodynamic performance by smoothing airflow away from the rear of the vehicle. The uprated chassis has progressive front and rear springs that are 30 and 10% stiffer respectively and incorporate an anti-roll bar specification that contributes to a 5% reduction in body roll. New, lighter-weight forged 21 and optional 22-inch alloy wheels are wider at the rear by 25 mm compared to the front and contribute to the SVR's enhanced handling. The 22-inch wheels are 2.4 kg lighter on the front and 1.7 kg lighter on the rear and are designed to deliver greater airflow to the uprated larger 395 mm front and 396 mm rear brake discs. The brake discs feature an advanced two-piece construction on the front and rear to reduce weight, further contributing to the SVR's agile handling. Jaguar F-PACE SVR also features Jaguar's variable valve active exhaust system. This provides a charismatic soundtrack and is another factor behind the SVR's increased performance capability, as the active system allows increased gas flow. The SVR exhaust is 6.6 kg lighter than the standard F-PACE system. The first F-PACE to utilize Jaguar's rear electronic active differential, ED. F-PACE SVR features a comprehensive range of advanced technologies, each calibrated especially for the task. The Torque On Demand all-wheel drive system's intelligent driveline dynamics (IDD) control technology has been optimized to maximize the benefit of the ED, while the software for the adaptive dynamics suspension, electronic power-assisted steering (EPAS), and dynamic driving mode are all bespoke to SVR. Engaging dynamic mode initiates faster, more responsive gear shifts, sharper throttle responses and increased steering response for a more engaging driving experience in all conditions. Inside, the Jaguar F-PACE SVR features slimline performance front seats that provide enhanced lateral support and have signature lozenge quilting and embossed SVR logo. In addition, unique rear seats echo the heavily sculpted designs up front, and the SUV's sports car character is underlined by the Sport Shift selector. Finally, the SVR branded steering wheel features tactile aluminum paddle shifter.